Oh my goodness, do you all have kids? Do you have storage issues like apparently we do? You know, yeah, up here in the playroom. And so here's what we did. We bought some kitchen cabinets from IKEA. I think they're kitchen cabinets. Anyway, bought those from IKEA. We're gonna set those up. We bought 3 of them to go across this back wall. So here, let me go down the garage. I'll show you kind of what's going on with the boxes, and then I'll show you how they get put together, because you know IKEA, you know, the instructions a little bit, yeah, you know. So anyway, I'll show you that, and then we'll show you the final product. Yeah, so here's box number 2. Actually has the instructions. This is laid out here. I already emptied one box over there, which actually was box number 1, but for some reason, you know, it's box number 2. And then back here is box number 3. So more surprises, more things to come. Stick with me and we'll show you the final product here in a little bit. So here are all the parts laid out of the box. So the 3 boxes, right here, 3 boxes. By the way, all those boxes, they are not very light. They're probably ranging in that 50, 60 pounds for 2 of them, down to maybe 15 pounds in box number 3. But anyway, here they all are. It's all laid out. Now let's go to super speed time lapse. Okay, here in the instructions in step 29, make sure you stop, take a look here, because it's showing you which position you want the drawer in. So like we want the drawer in the middle. So we're gonna go to page 26. Make sure you understand what's going on there. Okay, here we go. All right, so here are all 3 cabinets. As you can see, we started packing some of the stuff up on top, but anyway, there they all are. Wonderful. Now, the crazy thing is one, just the very first one that I put together, took me 2 hours and 9 minutes actually to put that thing together. It was crazy, just trying to get through the details of everything, and then a couple minor stops that we had to do, but a couple last things, dimension-wise, each cabinet is 72 inches wide. It does have about I'd say a 1/4 inch overhang on the top. So 72 wide for the cabinet itself. They are 35.5 inches tall off the ground, and the top part there, the countertop, is 25.5 inches wide, and then the cabinet itself is only 24 inches wide. So I got these handles there at IKEA as well when I picked them up. So nice little handles. Oh, look, a race car. Anyway, inside you can mount. It's got adjustable shelves inside of it. And so these, like I said, from the instructions you saw, you can put a drawer if you want it over here, or you want it on the other side. You can move them around how you want. These, like I said, adjustable. But this is the inside there. And then, oh, look, another car. I love it. It gets puts it up everywhere. But you can, you know, if you got something a little longer, that's fine. It can go from one side to the other. Same thing. This side, another adjustable shelf, drawer. You know, good deep drawer. And then last cabinet. So there you go. That's it. I appreciate it. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.